Hey everyone, Josh Silver, president of Pulse Energy Technologies here in Los Angeles. Hope everyone's getting ready for their first post-COVID summer. In any event, I wanted to take a minute here and thank the NBATA for an amazing symposium that they put together every year, and especially with the challenges of COVID, trying to get 60 companies together to do a virtual presentation is difficult at best. But I want to reach out and thank them. They are the association for all of the athletic trainers that are in the National Basketball Association. We've been a longtime vendor, have lots of customers and clients in and throughout the league. But I want to take a minute to do this unboxing video. They were gracious enough to send us all a cool FedEx, or have a team send us a FedEx with a surprise gift as a thank you to being a vendor and supporting them this year, and them having the access to our products. And this year, it looks like we got something from, see if you can see that, the Golden State Warriors, which is neat. You can see, if you can see it over here, which is neat for me on a personal level, because the director of sports medicine and science there is an old friend from Vancouver soccer days, Dr. Rick Celebrini. So it's really neat that somebody that's actually using our product, a team and an organization that has our machine, is we're going to give the gift. So we thought this would be cool to open this up live and put a video out there so we can thank them. So here we go. This is our vendor's gift for the 2021 NBATA training show. I have a feeling it's not an autograph from me, because they would not send that in a FedEx box. Funny enough. Oh my goodness, you guys aren't going to believe this. It's another FedEx. So let's see. It sounds kind of soft in here. I don't think it's a backboard. Let's see. Oh, there's a couple things. All right, so let's go with the first thing. Pretty cool. Awesome photograph. Let me see if I can get that in the shot. Autograph photo of Draymond Green. There we go. There's something else in there. Let's see. Oh. Cool. There's a certificate of authenticity from the organization for that autograph photo. Oh, and let's see what else this is. There's a jersey in here. Oh, pretty cool. Let's see, everyone. Who is it? Awesome. Autographed jersey from NBA All-Pro Klay Thompson, who, ironically enough, is recovering from several injuries. And I know with 100% certainty that Klay has utilized the PEMF technology, both with the Warriors and with a physical therapist down in Orange County. And I believe what comes with this as well is, yes, certificate of authenticity from the team, swingman jersey, Klay Thompson. And a note from Long Lam, the assistant athletic trainer from the Golden State Warriors. It says, Josh, on behalf of the Golden State Warriors medical staff and the NBATA, I would like to thank you for your support throughout the season and in the 2021 virtual trade show. Enclosed in this package is an autographed jersey signed by Klay Thompson and an autographed action photo signed by Draymond Green. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Sincerely, Long Lam, assistant athletic trainer, Golden State Warriors. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously, an incredibly professional organization and an amazing gift to give out to their vendors. Believe me when I say this, I work in all of the major professional sports, and none of the other organizations does anything like this. The NBATA is all class. So I've been here doing the unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. We'll have more of these videos as they come along to you. This is Josh Silver with Pulse Energy in Los Angeles, and have a great summer.